I'm gonna show you how you play video games in your channel. But if you're not subscribed to my channel, so please subscribe to my channel. First, you're gonna think you see this button right here where is the shorts, and up and right the left you're gonna this button, and then he's gonna show you games, and you just press this button and then you got every games, and then you're gonna play. But you don't have this button. Then you go up in there and you see this electron earrocks, and you're gonna just this button just click, and then you're gonna show how you play video games, and like and subscribe, and your video are good, and goodbye.